Allow me to let you in on a little secret. If you're looking to thrive in my line of work, you have to be prepared for whatever is thrown at you. I'm researched, primed, and armed for every potential scenario. Can't afford to buckle under pressure. I'm Grace under fire, and I'm not afraid to bring the heat. Just as expected, nothing happened. You see, bricks are fireproof. But alarmingly, not all building materials are. Bricks are one of the safest building materials available and the obvious choice to keep you and your loved ones safe. Of course, fire is not the only threat you need to consider. Take this brick, for instance. We can put it through hell and back, yet it will still keep its structural integrity. A bit like me, I guess. A brick home is more likely to withstand a cyclone or storm versus a home built from lightweight board. I mean, if the big bad wolf couldn't bring down the house of bricks, I don't know what can. I don't remember inviting you in here. You see, what most people don't consider when building with lightweight board is security. Lightweight is exactly that. So easily damaged. Nothing protects like brick.
Honey, is that you? I thought you were at work.
I'm always at work. As a busy mum and professional spy executive, I need to be efficient. I can't afford to waste my energy, so I don't. Bricks are highly effective at regulating internal temperatures. They keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. It means that your home is working smarter, not harder, to keep you and your family comfortable all year round, without wasting your money on exorbitant energy bills. Where did you get the battery?
The garage.
Then you'll definitely need this. Bricks are easily the most energy efficient building materials on the market. So you're not just building a family home, you're building a better and more sustainable world for these ones. And the next generation. My days are long, and this gig keeps me busy around the clock. Lucky for me, bricks require zero maintenance, unlike lightweight board that needs frequent and expensive upkeep. Another facelift, Sharon?
Oh, hi! I've got so much to tell you. Do you?
It's not just the house that's high maintenance.
You know, the lockdown got her all a bit depressed. Anyway, well, he's about, 45 or 55, I expect. But anyway.
Bricks also provide superior soundproofing in between rooms or from outside so that you can enjoy peace and quiet around the clock. Honestly, it's the best silencer out there. Nothing outlasts brick. They were built for life and will always look as beautiful as the day they were laid. That's the beauty of bricks. They stand the test of time and, unlike lightweight board, are guaranteed for 100 years. Oh, not everything gets better with age. I don't have time to stay on top of trends, especially when they date so quickly. The beauty of bricks is timeless.
Can you imagine? My daughter was going to throw this out.
Which is why bricks is the only choice. It's the classic style, sophistication, and quality of bricks that beat the competition when it comes to protecting the planet and your world a little closer to home. Finding a building material that does it all shouldn't feel like Mission Impossible. No matter the assignment, bricks have got you covered.